Welcome, and today I'm going to show you tip and trick on how to set up this Logitech webcam on a PC. To do so, first and foremost, we want to set up the hardware. When you buy a new Logitech webcam, you will see the lens cover. So I'm going to show you how to slide this in, okay? So simply hold the camera up like this. You want to have this right here, kind of go down. And you want to push it in on the edge here and then slide it in until it gets to the center, okay? So when it covers that lens area, now I'm going to simply open this just like that, and you can close it back when you're done. And now you're all set. Next, I will show you how to set it up in a PC. All right, let's cut to it. In this video, I will show you how to set up Logitech webcam onto your PC. To do so, first we'll come over here to this window icon, click on it, and then type in camera, and then manage camera right there. So by default, I already found my Logitech. If you're not, simply click on search here for camera, and then you will see the camera that you connect to the PC appear. So right now I have integrated camera, which mine is broken. So I plug in the Logitech here. So click on that Logitech there, and now the camera right here should appear. Hey guys, now right here, this is the camera that I'm setting up. And get back to my setting here. So I can have zoom in if I want to. So click on zoom in here to 20%, or brightness here, I can dark it down or bright it up, just like that. It's actually easy to set up, guys. And over here we have contrast, so I can leave it small here. So let's say I want the contrast is up here or down or about right here. We want a skin here look kind of like a skin. And then come down here, we want sharpness. So sharpness, the sharper it is, the more we can see more detail. As well as a skin here, we see more like birthmarks and stuff. Or you can do soft, which is much smoother. So it's up to you as a content creator. And saturation. So saturation, we want to, let's make it smaller so I can see while I'm doing this. So okay, saturation here. So if we click to desaturate, so just like black and white right now, if I drag it to the right, we have more color, and you don't want it too much saturation here. So click it about right. And let's say if you want any rotation, you can simply click on rotation here, or reset setting. So you can simply click on this reset setting, and then everything back to when we first opened this camera. And once again, guys, here rotation, you can have the rotation, let's say right 90-degree angle, and let's see right here, this is 90-degree angle. So we don't want that because I have my camera here more like no rotation here, just like that. Okay, so now we're back to no rotation, and that is, and there you have it. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. This allows YouTube to put in front of people who in need this information. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.